Make a great choice today with
the 2020 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires front all season, privacy glass, tires rear all season. Your new ride is just a phone call away.